Okay, something happened. He made me jump. Oh, he's attacking the camera. Paparazzi! See, he's still only halfway through the bag. Well, a little more than halfway. Maybe halfway. His head and his butt are out. It's a kitty straight jacket. Now, see. Uh-oh. Now what? Is it getting hot in there? He's revving up. What?
We're out of Lysol.
Huh? We're out of Lysol. There's the green stuff.
Da, da, da. Da,
Or there.
Da, da.
Or look in the closet by your room. There should be another thing of wipes.
Dun, 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 dun.
He's ready to attack. Eli, stop.
I'm trying to get him motivated.
He's fine. He's just deciding what he's gonna do.
Can't pet you, kitty.
Well, you're not supposed to pet him.